Yeah, how do you feel? Can you elaborate on amazing, please?
Oh, wow. It was like a mental massage. Really. I meditate a lot, right?
Right.
And I meditate, I have visuals. I close my eyes and see starscapes and people and figures and all kinds of things.
Wow.
So this was like that, only multicoloured.
It's interesting.
Incredible.
You compare it to like the meditative states that you've experienced.
Yeah.
So my question is, have you ever had an experience like this before?
No, that is like the best video game you've ever played. Really.
The sort of frequencies you had there, very entertaining, very fast, and very enthralling. You had quite a roller coaster experience.
Oh, really? Yeah. It was like it was like a roller coaster.
Any emotions in there, like?
I felt very, very relaxed.
Oh, well done.
Very calm.
No fear then?
No, I don't, because I've had some very strange meditation experiences already, and so I'd already got through those fear barriers.
Can you describe any of the visuals? Were there patterns, colours, or scenery?
There was, very detailed patterns and colours, and also, as usual when I meditate, like shapes, structures, things like that. And then occasionally it went very crazy indeed. Very, very bright, very stimulating. I could have done that all afternoon.
Sometimes people really underestimate the time.
Yeah.
It's one of the side effects of some of the brainwaves that have been in the play there.
Right. But no, I think I could sort of have a bit. I know when I've been hypnotised for hypnotherapy,
that's it.
That goes. It's about 5 minutes.
That's the thing. It's a phenomenon that has to be experienced.
Indeed.
Thank you.
All right.